and welcome back. My name is Lily, aka lilykoi Hawaii. I make videos about healthy lifestyles, from diet to exercise to sleep habits to emotional and spiritual well-being. A lot gets covered, so make sure you hit that subscribe button if any of that sounds interesting to you. Today we're going to do a super short video of my homemade mustard recipe, as I have been getting so many requests from all of you on Instagram who have seen my homemade mustard gracing the top of my food over the last several weeks or months or whatever. And it is so easy to make, and it is such a healthy way to flavor your meals. Because something that not many people realize is that mustard is actually a type of brassica, aka cruciferous vegetable, aka it's in the broccoli family, aka it's super duper good for you. So this recipe for mustard is one that I adapted from Dr. Greger's book, How Not to Die. He mentioned it, I think, in the brassica or the spice chapter. I don't totally remember. All I know is that I tried it and it's amazing. So let's get started, okay? So first step is to get yourself a small jar. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your mustard seeds and you're going to pour them into your small jar about halfway to the top. Next ingredient is everyone's favorite super healthy spice right now, turmeric. And this is not exact, but I have probably 2 teaspoons of turmeric right here. And then of course, to help with the efficacy of the turmeric, I'm going to grind in some freshly ground black pepper. Probably about a 1/4 teaspoon in there. And then I'm not sure Dr. Greger would approve, but I am going to add in some sea salt. Your final ingredient is apple cider vinegar. I like the raw unfiltered Bragg's apple cider vinegar with the mother in it, because it's what all the hippies do, isn't it? Right? Like, it must be healthy. I'm going to be pouring in apple cider vinegar just to cover the mustard seeds. So apple cider vinegar can be great for digestion, assimilation of nutrients, helping with indigestion, and studies have indicated that it's a potent promoter of weight loss. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add in water right up to about the top. Again, you don't have to be super precise with this. Put on my lid and then give this a good shake. Get all the ingredients incorporated. After 12 to 24 hours, your mustard seeds will have puffed up and absorbed most of the moisture in this jar, and then you'll be left with a delicious, spreadable, nice, thick, tangy, salty, delicious, super healthy condiment that you can spread on your other whole plant foods and give as many meals as you want to a little bit more pizzazz. Once the mustard seeds are puffed up, they'll be nice and tender, and when you bite into them, they'll kind of pop and let out some of that delicious vinegary goodness. All right, you guys, thumbs up if you enjoyed this short and sweet little recipe video. Like, subscribe, and share with anyone you think would be interested. And as always, make better choices for yourself. No one's gonna do it for you, and take really, really good care. I will see you all very soon. Bye.